Hello everyone, I'm Adrija. Welcome back. Today I'm back with another interesting conversation for you all. This is a conversation between a guardian and another student. And this conversation is regarding online studies. And this is a very interesting one and I'm sure that you will enjoy it. And remember, at the end of this video, there is a question and make sure to answer that question in the comment box below. Now, without any delay, let's start with the conversation.
Oh, hello auntie. Good morning.
Good morning, beta. How are you?
I'm good auntie. How are you?
I am doing well.
Where is Shruti auntie? Didn't she come?
No, she didn't. She's studying at home. And where is your mom? Actually, I came here to talk to your mom about something.
Oh, but mom is not at home.
Where has she gone?
She has gone to the market to buy some groceries. She will be back soon.
I see. I should have called before coming here.
No problem auntie. Please wait for 5 minutes. She will come back.
Anyway, tell me, Riti, how are your studies going on?
They are going well auntie.
Of course, you are the class topper. Actually, I came here to talk about Shruti's studies only.
Why auntie? She is a good student. She studies well.
But still, this time it's class 10 and 1 month is already over. I'm not getting a good tuition teacher for her.
But auntie, what about the tutor who used to teach her in class 9?
He won't be teaching this year. He has shifted to Pune.
Oh, really?
Well, tell me, Riti, who are the tutors who teaches you?
I don't have any tuition, auntie. I study at home.
She wants me to believe she has no tuition. I'm sure she doesn't want to tell me. Probably her mother warned her not to tell anyone. Riti, you can tell me. There's no problem.
Auntie, I'm really telling the truth. I don't have any tuition.
Look, Riti, if you tell me, your marks won't decrease, right?
But auntie, why will I lie to you?
Tell me, nothing will happen.
Auntie, I'm telling the truth. You can ask Shruti if you want. I really don't have any tuition.
Strange. Then how do you score such good marks? Just like that?
Normally at school I follow the teachers and the classes, and then at home my parents help me, or sometimes I take the help of internet.
Internet? How?
Yes auntie, there are tons of options on internet these days. Google, YouTube and several other educational apps.
Studying using YouTube? Is that even possible?
Yes auntie, why not? There are absolutely no such topics on any subjects of our school that you will not find on YouTube. And there are so many good tutors from all over India. If I have a doubt, I just search it on YouTube.
Do you understand anything by watching videos?
Of course. And even if I don't understand it once, then I can just watch it again. We can watch a video on YouTube repeatedly and we don't even have to ask our doubts again and again.
On YouTube, do the teachers teach just like offline tutors?
Yeah, they are the same. Online classes are just as understandable as offline if one takes them seriously.
But online is also paid, right?
There are paid classes as well as free classes. Both are equally beneficial.
You're really matured, Riti. Nowadays, when kids use mobiles just to entertain themselves, you're utilizing it to score good marks. Good job.
Thank you, auntie. It's all because of your blessings.
Thanks, Riti. I got to know a lot from you today. Anyway, I need to go now. Tell your mother that I came here.
Okay, bye auntie.
Yeah, bye beta. So this was the conversation. I hope you liked it. Now is the time for the question. The question is, Where has Shruti's tuition teacher shifted to? Make sure to answer this question in the comment box below. I'd be eagerly waiting for your comments. So that's it for today. I hope you liked it. If you liked this video, then click on the like button. And if you want more such conversations, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family. That's it for today. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.